If your summers feel like they're burning everything in sight, you're not alone. Honestly, most gardeners struggle with the same problem. The real issue usually isn't your gardening skills, it's choosing plants that simply can't handle extreme heat. But once you switch to the right plants, your garden can actually thrive, even in peak summer. Before we continue, if you love gardening and want access to our exclusive plant guides, advanced tips, free ebooks, and premium videos, make sure to join the Balcony Garden Web membership. Members get special members-only content that we don't share in regular videos. So join now and take your gardening skills to the next level. Lantana is one of those plants that just refuses to give up in the heat. It keeps blooming in bright clusters as long as it gets full sun, and once established, it barely needs water. It's perfect if you want color without constant care. Oleander is incredibly tough and grows into a large flowering shrub that handles heat, drought, and even coastal conditions. Once it settles in, it grows quickly and fills space beautifully with minimal effort. Coreopsis gives you that soft daisy-like look, but with serious heat tolerance. It blooms through summer and doesn't demand much, making it ideal for borders or empty sunny spots. Artemisia stands out more for its silvery foliage than its flowers, and that's exactly what makes it unique. It thrives in hot, dry conditions and adds a cool-toned contrast to your garden. Chocolate flower is a hidden gem for hot climates. It grows well in poor soil, handles heat easily, and can bloom for long periods in frost-free areas. Red yucca is a tough succulent-style plant that handles extreme temperatures and still produces striking red flower spikes. It's perfect for low-maintenance gardens. Bird of Paradise gives your garden a tropical, exotic look while still tolerating high heat. Its unique flowers make it a standout centerpiece in sunny areas. Black Dahlia works beautifully as a ground cover in hot gardens. It stays compact, needs good drainage, and rewards you with soft purple blooms. Penstemon loves full sun and open space. Once it gets those conditions, it thrives effortlessly. Its flowers also attract pollinators, adding even more life to your garden. Firecracker flower creates a cascading effect with bright red blooms, especially when placed in a sunny spot. It's great for adding movement, color, and texture. Moss rose is perfect if you want something super low maintenance. It thrives in poor soil, needs very little care, and still gives you vibrant blooms in extreme heat. Holy basil not only survives high temperatures, it also gives you edible and medicinal benefits. It's one of the most practical plants for hot climates. The truth is, summer doesn't have to destroy your garden. With the right plant choices, it can actually become your most vibrant season. If you want more smart plant choices and pro-level gardening tips like this, make sure to subscribe and keep growing smarter.